हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग वेलकम यू ऑल टू आवर चैनल। आई एम वानी फ्रॉम ईवी क्रेज। तो आज हम आ गए हैं प्रगति मैदान दिल्ली फॉर द राइड एशिया एक्सपो। लेट्स कम टुगेदर। हेलो, आई एम वानी फ्रॉम ईवी क्रेज। सो व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम?
I am Neeraj Kumar Singal from SEMCO group of companies. We are exhibiting here one of our company's division, SEMCO INFRATEC, which deals in lithium ion batteries assembly and testing machines.
So can you please tell our viewers a little brief about your company? What you guys are doing? What are you into?
SEMCO group is a 25 years old group, and we are providing all the machines for making the battery packs or for making the lithium ion cells, or the machines which are required for testing of the lithium ion battery packs or lithium ion cells or BMS testers or various type of testing machines which are used in the process of either cell manufacturing or pack testing or electrical vehicle testing or energy storage testing.
And so what is the price structure for the batteries?
Price structure means?
The pricing for the batteries you are like selling?
Yeah, so we are majorly providing all the equipments.
Okay.
So our buyers are the people who are assembling the batteries or manufacturing the battery cells. So we are providing the different kinds of equipments only. We are not providing the batteries.
Okay, only the equipment
Only the
you are
equipments.
providing.
We provide only the equipments.
Okay. Or is there any maintenance on the equipment?
Yes. So we are the only company here in India. We are the largest in this segment. We are in this field since last 5 years. We have the complete ecosystem built up around our lithium-ion battery equipments. We provide the state-of-art equipments. We customize the machines as required by the customer. Then we also have a very able team of 25 people who do installation and after sales service. We have the people to repair the machines. We have our own R&D. We keep all the spares which are vulnerable or are required for regular usage of the machines, and we support all the after sales warranties also through our machines also, and we have everything in our stock so that the customer have the least downtime of the machines and customer have the highest uptime of the machines to get the maximum productivity which is possible out of these machines.
So means you can customize with the requirement.
So yes, because different applications require different type of machines, different type of equipment, different type of testing. So we customize the machines. Not only we customize the machines, we have to customize their softwares as per the reports or the process flow of the customers.
Okay. And where is your company based in?
So our company is headquartered in New Delhi, and we have a large warehouse and product center where we display all the products and offer to our customers, and we have one center in Delhi and we have one center in Bangalore, and both the centers all the equipments are available for display, for testing or for viewing.
And how's the experience in RIDEASIA, sir?
The RIDEASIA experience is good because majorly the Indian market started with the electrical vehicles only, and if you must have seen now the small bicycles for the kids are also coming with the lithium ion batteries. Then bicycles are coming, then two-wheelers are coming, and three-wheelers are very popular. So looking at the demographics of India, we are starting from the lower end, from bicycles to electrical vehicles, means two-wheelers to three-wheelers, and gradually we will see the electrical cars, buses, and means lithium ion batteries have applications in almost majority of the fields, and it's totally changing the landscape of different industries. So we will see the usage of lithium ion batteries in various applications, and as per applications we customize all the machines.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.